Welcome to Melo's channel. Let's have fun. And today we are gonna be opening some loose card packs.
And we have all these loose packs that I have. We are gonna be opening them all, and we will see the lineup first. We have the Pokemon, and everything except for one are bootlegs. The only legit product here is the Demon Slayer one. And as you can see, we got the SpongeBob, the Demon Slayer, the Doraemon. And this Demon Slayer is by Card.fan. It is an authorized legit product. And here we have the Hatsune Miku, which is also a bootleg one. We are gonna be starting with the Pokemon Paradox Rift and Scarlet Violet. And this one, I started with this Pokemon card since this one is the least fun and the one thing that I didn't really like the most. But they are still fun to open and to give to little kids that just want to play or like look at the artworks. And like if you want to put it on the loot box, that would be really fun as well for the kids. Like here we have Phalanx, we have Inteleon, we have Dragapult, we have Rillaboom, and also as you can see, if you want to know if your product is legit or not, like as you can see for this Pokemon pack, it's not legit since this card pack is just a bunch of like higher rarity, and you would see also on the foiling, like the foiling is really cheap on these cards as well. And there are cards that would be damaged, a lot of miscut, and also a lot of like a lot of indication that it would not be a real product. And here we have the Demon Slayer. We have 6 packs to open for this one. And this Demon Slayer, if I remember correctly, was a second box that I opened this year. And here we have like it is much better than the Pokemon one that we just opened, but it's still not really good enough for an adult. Like for the kids, like it's really nice to open and play with these ones. Like they are very fun. Like there are a lot of different artworks for this, but for the Demon Slayer bootleg products, like you would see a repetitive of the artworks, and also the repetition for this on a box is not so bad. Like I have the most that I have gotten a repeat of is 5 cards of a character, and the rest was like 3 to 2 cards of a repeat. And actually, the higher rarity for this set is better looking than the rare cards, but there are a lot of scratches and discoloration on this set, and this set is also in English. Most of the one that I have seen is not in English anymore, and even the Pokemon one is, some are in English, some is in Spanish. Like it really depends on where did they get the artwork. And now let's see the last 2 packs for this Demon Slayer. We have Zenitsu. As you can see, it has really a bad scratch. And we have Sanemi. We have Inosuke. And we have Obanai. We have Kokoshibu. And we have another Obanai. And we have Shinobu. And we have Zenitsu. Tanjiro, and this one Yoshiro. Like that one is my favorite artwork of this set. And to the next one, we are going to open the Demon Slayer by Card.fun, and this one is a legit product. Like it is an authorized one. This one also comes in 1, 2, and 5U1 card box. And most of the packs that we have opened today is a 1U1 card box. Like, I don't think I saw a 2U1 card pack on this. And if you're curious, what's the 1U1? Like, technically, that's the suggested retail price per pack for this. Like, and the higher you get, like, the better hits you get, the more hits you get, but the less packs you get in the box. Here we got the rare card. We have Tanjiro. We have another rare. Like for this one, you get like a lot more rare than the hit on the back. Or sometimes you would get like all rares for this. And we are very lucky to get an SSR. And here we have a rare. We have another rare, a rare, and an SSR. Like so far, I have 4 SSR. And here we have a rare. Like for this Demon Slayer, if you're a fan of Demon Slayer, like Card.fun is a way to go. Like there are other bootleg products that are also nice with. And next we do have the Hatsune Miku one, and we do have 3 packs to open, and I'm trying to cut the pack itself, not the card. So and I'm trying to do it all at once just to be more faster. And let's see. Let's get all the cards first. And as you can see, the box for the Hatsune Miku one as well is different kinds of design depending on which rarity you got. And we do have a BP. We have an SSR. And these cards are really nice, like nicer than the first 2 packs that we have opened. And we have here the PR or the rare cards. We have another rare of Miku, and we have the LR, and we have an SSR, and we have another SSR, and we have a rare and AUR, and we have a LR and a BP. Like for the Hatsune Miku set, the BPs are really nice. Even the rare cards are nice for this set. And for the next one, we do have the Doraemon. We have 2 packs. And I did just open this Doraemon card box. And I really had fun opening. And if I had to choose among all of the things that we have opened today, like this Doraemon and the Hatsune Miku and even the SpongeBob one, like those are my really top picks. And here we have a rare. It's Sonio and another Sonio. And here we have a UR. Like it's just so fun. We have a UR of Doraemon holding a flower, and we have an SR and SR. And we have Nobita AUR and SR of Nobita. Like just seeing the artwork for this Doraemon is really nice. And we got ACP. We are very lucky for the last pack. And here we have 6 packs of the SpongeBob. Like I still like really like SpongeBob even now that I'm adult. Like I still do watch SpongeBob from time to time. And this SpongeBob set is really nice. So but the Caillou one is really much better quality since this bootleg product is like a copy of the Caillou, the first box of SpongeBob from Caillou. And you would see a lot of artworks from there, especially the design, this rare card. And we have like a fashion SpongeBob. We have an SR. And this cards is also not so perfect as well. Like as you can see, the coloring and close-up look, and in person you would see some scratches, some lines on the cards. And here we have the rare card that I really like, and we have Plankton, we have SpongeBob riding jellyfish, and we have this STR, and we have another rare card, and we have a Patrick Star AR and a rare, and we have an SR, and we have an SSR. And also, like, I'll be doing a portrait video for all the cards that I have pulled today. And that would be actually a really fast video, about 4 to 5 minutes video. And this would be the last 3 packs for this video. And here we have an STR. We actually got this when I opened the box. And here we have a UR. And we have an SSR, the Pirates. Like most of these I have already got when opening the box. Like definitely you would get a lot of repeats for the SpongeBob SquarePants set. And here we have the SSR. And we have this STR, a very fun one. And we have the babies. Like I'm not really a fan of some of the babies. And as you can see, we get a double. And here we have an SR of Patrick and another baby of Patrick. And we got a rare and an AR of Patrick. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.